Hi guys, so welcome back to our channel StudyLib. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we all again discuss with you the most important question related to current affairs, which are beneficial for your competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, DSSSB, UPSSC, etc. So, let's get started. Question number 1. The HDFC Bank opened the first of all women branch in which state? And the options are as follows: Kerala, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Chief Minister is E.K. Narayanar. State animal of Kerala is Indian elephant. Legislature of Kerala is unicameral. Includes 141 seats. Parliamentary constituencies of Kerala have Rajya Sabha 9 seats, Lok Sabha 20 seats. Kerala High Court have Chief Justice S. Manikumar. Periyar River, known as Churni in ancient period, is the longest river in Kerala. Now, we are moving towards next question, that is question number 2. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to establish its first marketing office abroad in which country? And the options are as follows: Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is Malaysia. The government of Malaysia have federal parliamentary constitutional elective monarchy. Currency of Malaysia is Malaysian ringgit. King is Abdullah. Prime Minister is Ismail Sabri Yaakob. Parliament of Malaysia has Upper House, Dewan Nagra Senate. Lower House have Dewan Rakyat, the House of Representatives. Now, let's move towards the next question, that is question number 3. The Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC has assigned a memorandum of understanding to ensure the safety and security of booking data from which agency? The options are as follows: Central Reserve Police Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Border Security Force, Central Industrial Security Force. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is BSF, Border Security Force. Pankaj Kumar Singh is 29th Director General of BSF. The headquarters of BSF is located in New Delhi. Border Security Force is the largest border guiding force in the world. BSF has been termed as the first line of defense of Indian territories. It is one of the 5 central armed police forces of India and is under administrative control of Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Now, let's move towards next question. Question number 4. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has unveiled the statue of Veer Degraders Rathore on 385th birth anniversary in which state? The options are as follows: Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Rajasthan. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. also known as Pink City. Governor of Rajasthan is Kalraj Mishra. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Legislature is unicameral, include 200 seats. Parliamentary constituencies are Rajya Sabha 10 seat, Lok Sabha 25 seats. The very famous folk dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar, and the mammals found in Rajasthan are camel and chinkara. Let's now move towards next question, that is question number 5. Exercise Pitch Black is scheduled to be organized between 19 August 2020 to 8 September 2020 is hosted by which country? And the options are as follows: France, Australia, USA, Turkey. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra. Currency of Australia is Australian dollar. Prime Minister is Anthony Albanese. Parliament have two houses: Upper House, Senate, Lower House, House of Representatives. Let's now move towards next question, that is question number 6. When was the World Senior Citizens Day is celebrated? And the options are as follows: 20th August, 21st August, 22nd August, 23rd August. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is 21st August. Now let's move towards next question. Question number 7. Which country is suspended from FIFA? The options are as follows: China, Argentina, India, France. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. The answer of this question is India. First of all, you should be knowing the Football Federation of India, that is AIFF, All India Football Federation. FIFA, International Federation of Association Football, founded in 21st May 1904. The headquarters of FIFA is located in Zurich, Switzerland. Secretary General of FIFA is Fatma Samora. FIFA World Cup 2022 goes to country Qatar. Now let's move towards next question, that is question number 8. As per the Election Commission, youngster attaining how many years can apply in advance for electoral cards? And the options are as follows: 15, 16, 17, 18. I will be giving you 5 seconds to this question. And the answer of this question is 17. 25th Chief Election Commissioner is Rajiv Kumar. Shri Rajiv Kumar is the officer of the Indian Administrative Service of Bihar, Jharkhand Cadre 1984 batch. Article 324 of the Constitution stand for Election Commission. Now we are moving towards next question, that is question number 9. Which country is made of Lumpy Provoc vaccine for the cattle with lumpy skin disease? And the options are as follows: China, India, USA, France. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is India. ICAR developed Lumpy Pro vaccine a locally made vaccine for cattle with lumpy skin disease. ICAR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, and the director of ICAR is Dr. Ashok Kumar Singh. Now we are moving towards next question. That is question number 10. Which space agency preparation to send its astronaut to moon again? And the options are as follows: Roscosmos, ISRO, SpaceX, NASA. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Headquarters of NASA is located in Washington, D.C., United States. NASA is founded in 29 July 1958, United States. The founder of NASA is Y.T. Eisenhower. Director of NASA is Vanessa E. Wag. Now, let's move towards next question. That is question number 11. The United States has announced how much military aid package in line with its promise to provide all the possible help to Ukraine in the Ukraine-Russia war. The options are as follows: USD 775 million, USD 800 million, USD 850 million, USD 900 million. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is USD 775 million. Now, let's move towards next question. That is question number 12. To protect the interest of fish farmers and to benefit them from new technology, Union Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying launched the online marketplace name is. The options are as follows: Fish Bazaar, Aqua Market, Fish Market, Aqua Bazaar. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is Aqua Bazaar. In the Matsya Setu mobile app developed by ICAR, Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture in Bhubaneswar. Now, let's move towards next question. That is question number 13. Which Union Minister launched India's first electric double-decker bus, Switch EV22? And the options are as follows: Amit Shah, Piyush Goyal, Nitin Gadkari, S. Jaishankar. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is Shri Nitin Gadkari, who is the present Minister of Union Ministry of Road and Transport Highways. Now, let's move towards next question. That is question number 14. The Craft Village scheme is an initiative of which Union Ministry? And the options are as follows: Union Ministry of Culture, Union Ministry of Home Affairs, Union Ministry of Textile, Union Ministry of MSME. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is Union Ministry of Textiles. 8 craft villages are selected under the scheme. They are Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, Vedaj, Gujarat, Naini, Uttar Pradesh, Raghurajpur, Odisha, Enegundi, Karnataka, Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, Tajganj, Uttar Pradesh and Amer, Rajasthan. Now, let's move towards next question. That is Question number 15. Which state has decided to increase employee DA by 0.3%? And the options are as follows: Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. I will be giving you 5 seconds to answer this question. And the answer of this question is Maharashtra. Governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Eknath Shinde. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Legislature of Maharashtra is bicameral, in which Vidhan Sabha has 288 seats and Vidhan Parishad have 78 seats. Parliamentary constituencies are Rajya Sabha has 19 seats and Lok Sabha has 48 seats. That's all for today's video. I hope you find our video helpful. Thank you for joining. I will be come back soon with more question on current affair. Till then, stay tuned and support us by like, share and subscribe our channel for more study related videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.